Varios Combi Pro2, Introduction and Unboxing. NSK's Varios Combi Pro2 is the ultrasonic scaling and powder therapy combination system. In this video, we'll explain the contents of the original packaging. Let's begin. Here's what you'll find inside the box. Power cord, control unit, ultrasonic handpiece cord, Profi hose, CLM bottle, irrigation bottle, Profi chamber, foot control hanger, ultrasonic handpiece, Profi handpiece, air hose, water hose, cable cover, ultrasonic tips, tip wrenches, accessories, operation manuals, tip power guide, tip measuring card,